I'm going to my cousin's house. It's my cousin's birthday today. Which yeah, I know, right? I'm wearing the same leggings from yesterday. But I'm wearing different shirt, okay? So don't judge me. Anyway, because I just came from work and I'm so lazy. Like, seriously. And then even like, I took a shower, like sa ano lang, katawan. Because I took a shower this morning anyway. So I'm just gonna take a shower later when I get home. After we eat. You know, but I'm wearing shades right now and I'm not gonna tell you why because...
Pwede mo na kasi. Pwede, mag-sneak ka sa loob ng bahay.
I'll remove later! But anyway... Anyway, I'm gonna freaking remove it naman later on. So you guys are gonna see. So I'll talk to you guys later with my fam bam. Guys, I'm gonna tell you why I'm wearing freaking glasses. I mean, it's sunny, yes, but something bad happened to me last night. Anyway, yeah, sometimes you have to wear glasses to hide something. So I'm hiding something underneath these glasses. Well, my cousin was busy parking, you know. Well, like, I didn't do it on purpose, but like my eyelashes are not even. I don't know what happened. I was just curling my lashes and then like it slipped. I don't know what happened. And I thought it was fine. Like when I looked at my curl lash, my lashes are over there. My lashes are half bald. So that's how I'm gonna describe it. So you have to wear this freaking glasses. And I'm going inside the house, so I'm still gonna wear it. It's embarrassing.
Freaking killed a bird. Poor bird. Julz, don't even. Go, sige, go. Stop, the bird. You're gonna kill the bird. It's already dead. Oh.
Wag ako! Hindi naman yung makikita sa Facebook kasi hindi naman talaga yung nilalagay sa Facebook.
Hindi kasi ito yung side ko
Wala sa Facebook, wala sa YouTube yun.
Dito yung side ko mamaya na.
Oo, ikaw na lang palagi na yan.
Oo nga, wala.
Nakapag-inquire na ba kayo sa right?
Apo, Jimmy, ano masasabi mo?
Siyang dodong. I'm good.
Shot time! Ulo! Ikaw si Dudong at naghahanap siya ng signal. Ano ba yan? Wala kang signal?
Wala naman. Gusto mo ng bokal sa kilay mo?
Hay nako, yun ang pansin ninyo kilay ko na nalaga siya eh.
Kuha ka lang. Eh, what is this?
Oh, ito balon.
Ano to? Kanina yan? Yeah, there's like...
Eto daw siya, tinin nyo.
That's my Ate Andrea. Ijong. Where's, Gian? Ayun no.
Pizza light.